Everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. You are viewing a 42RL. This is a Luxe Elite luxury fifth wheel. Great looking, nice, soothing paint job on the exterior. And you've heard a lot about our paint jobs. We're going to take a look at the inside of this floor plan. This is a floor plan that's quite often overlooked, but is a floor plan that is a very residential feel to it. As you walk in, it's very, very similar to a lot of the other floor plans that we have. There are some differences though. You've got no refrigerator on this kitchen slide. It's a very large slide, so you've got a huge pantry there. And what we've done is we moved the refrigerator to an interior wall, so when the slides are all closed, you can actually access this refrigerator when the slides are all closed. Lots of counter space. This one is optioned out with a 24-inch wide oven. And of course it's got all the LG appliances, LG convection microwave, LG TV, LG refrigerator. Beautiful fireplace area. So very similar in this area to a lot of our other floor plans. This one comes with the Arctic package. But in this area, in the kitchen area, you've got quite a different look. Very nice and sleek. Of course, all the drawers, like we always do, dovetail, soft closed, all maple hardwood. This is a painted beech wood, or this is the beachfront, the most popular interior that we have. We've got two other stains available. This is a painted, and we've got the cherry interior and the Brazilian. This one has mix and match with the Brazilian island. Very slick. Also the Brazilian dinette. Let's go up in here. This is where it really has that residential feel and really has a very nice large bedroom area. So in the center you've got the bathroom that can be accessed three ways. So from the hall you can access this bathroom. You can completely close off the bedroom area. This is another hallway. I'm going to go through here, and you've got huge opposing his and her wardrobe slides. You're not going to have any problem with space as far as your bedroom goes. So the bed actually sits up in that front cap area, and there's the other slide that has the wardrobe in it, and a nice entertainment center right in the center. And what we've done in its center, we've taken advantage of that space and put your washer and dryer right in here in the center. Got an access panel there for your washer dryer. Now here's where there's a pocket door. You can close off that bedroom area and have this bathroom, very large bathroom, access to people that are visiting. So nice. Plenty of headroom in there. So hey, ask us about the 42RL and give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us online at luxefifthwheel.com.